so many different ideas, interesting really applications. I think this is exactly what inspires me and brings me also to really go for more different sciences.
Gives a good spread of all different industries that are using the AFM in the industry and all the different technologies that can be used with it.
Here is a great platform and opportunity. You can discuss with your colleagues doing similar fields and you really deepen your understanding about science and research.
It's nice for companies to take initiative, bringing scientists in related fields together and to share their expertise.
NanoScientific meeting this year to really learn about the newest, latest, and greatest things in scan probe microscopy. We had a really great meeting, gave out a lot of nice awards to students, and we got to hear a lot of great talks from scientists across the country today, so don't miss it.